Hello everyone, hope you all are doing fine. Today I am going to do a loose watercolor painting and I will be sharing 5 mistakes that we usually do in watercolor. So watch the video till end to know about that, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. I provide watercolor related informations in my channel. So let's start. Loose watercolor technique is nothing but just working with more water and applying lot of colors. When we do loose watercolor painting, it is very important to use more color while we are doing the first tone. So here, if you see, I am trying to add different shades of colors at the same time and adding lot of water and trying to add some more colors there, and the effect comes very good. But when we do watercolor, we should always keep in mind that colors will be fading up while drying. So when we apply the first tone itself, apply more color so that we can get the freshness till end. And some mistakes, as I said, that I will be sharing today. When we apply the color on our sheet or apply water on our sheet, we should not rub our sheet so much. When we rub our brush many times, then the sheet will damage, and you will not get the proper effect what you were looking for. So that is the first mistake that we do. The second mistake we do by taking dirty water. We should always change our water frequently when we do watercolor. If we are not changing our water for long time, then we will get unwanted marks in our sheet. So always need to remember that we need to change our water. Otherwise, we will not get the freshness till end. At the end, your painting will look dirty and lot of unwanted marks will be there in your painting. The third mistake we oftenly do, choosing our right brush, because for watercolor we need very soft brushes. Nowadays we get a lot of different kind of brushes, so it is very good to buy. So any kind of watercolor brush you can buy from online stores. Before I had some very interesting watercolor brush which was sable hair brush, but nowadays I don't get it oftenly. So I use nylon brushes what are available normally in the market. And it is not important that we are buying very expensive stuff, but it is important to choose the right kind of thing. And with a very less amount also you can buy very good stuff, but you will have to see how it should be. And all this comes after several times of practices. If we will do 2-3 times, then we will be able to know which one is good and which one is bad. One big mistake we do most of the time, when we try to get some proper color, we try to mix the color on our painting sheet itself, which is a very bad idea. So it is really very important to mix your colors in the color palette and see if you have got the proper shade. And then if you are fine, then you use that shade on your sheet directly instead of mixing the color on your sheet. That way we will be spoiling our painting and you will be getting lot of unwanted marks there, and the sheet also will damage. And last but not the least one, that we do not wait our painting to dry when we apply the first layer. Watercolor needs a lot of patience. We need to always wait after applying the first layer. Once our first layer is drying completely, then only we should go for the second layer. Sometimes I have seen that we are using second layer on top of the first layer when it is not drying, and we will not get the actual effect what we are looking for. Again and again, when we apply the colors like that, our painting will look patchy and it will not look neat and clean. We will be getting lot of unwanted marks after drying up, and the colors will not be fresh. These are not only the mistakes that we do in watercolor. There are many more mistakes we do when we start working on watercolor. Slowly, when we keep practicing that, we can rectify those mistakes uh, time by time. But these are the main mistakes that we do in our watercolor journey. So it is really good to follow these rules when we do watercolor, because watercolor doesn't have any mm, option to do corrections. So it is really good to do a lot of practice and a lot of experiment. After doing several experiment, we can get the better idea how we can improve ourselves. Every artist is different and everyone does differently. So if you have some other technique, definitely you can develop that technique itself. There is no any rule that you have to follow in this style only. There are thousands of different kind of techniques I have seen till now. Every artist's work is different and everything is beautiful. So, so this is the note that I can say. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please share this video with your friends and whoever has started their watercolor journey, and hit the like button, and please comment below if you like anything whatever I have done till now, or if you have any dislike also, you can definitely say in the comment box so that I can improve myself. So thank you for watching till end. Bye bye.